eye mask for Christmas party. Materials required for eye mask: scale, pencil, thread, scissor, Fevicol, yellow glitter paper and red glitter paper. So let's start. Take glitter paper and measure the distance of 2 points. Then measure the paper and cut rectangle shape paper. Like this. Okay, then just fold the paper in middle and draw freehand shape. Then draw the eye shape in middle. See. Now just cut this shape. And to cut the eye hole, just cut only the pinch and then cut like this. Be careful. Okay, then take a yellow glitter paper and draw a star and cut it. I have already cut one more star. Okay, then mark the point and punch the hole two sides like this. Now just insert the thread through hole. Then make a knot. Do same process here. Take stars and stick it on a mask. See, like this. Oh wow, it's ready. It's look very beautiful. See, our eye mask is ready. It's very easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, bye-bye. Meet you in the next video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas.